Hey guys, it's Mary Beth from My Fearless Kitchen. I'm grabbing some hair in my mouth and some shade today under this big old oak tree. I love this tree. Today we've got a slow cooked Italian pot roast. If you've never tried cooking a roast before, the slow cooker's the way to go. I promise you almost can't mess it up in the slow cooker. So easy. We've also got some slow cooked short ribs, which I gotta tell you, this is one of my absolute favorite cuts of beef to use. Now, a technique you're going to use in both of those is deglazing a pan. So I've got a whole article dedicated on how to do that. It's really, really easy. Just, there it is again. It just takes a couple extra seconds to deglaze the pan, but you capture so much of the flavor that's otherwise stuck to the bottom of the pan. And then finally, I'm going to address a question that I get a lot, is about antibiotics in meat. Are there really any, and is it something I need to be worried about? So make sure you check out that last post at the bottom of the newsletter today. Thanks so much for joining us, you guys. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.